Why do we walk where we walk? Roads, city plans, railway and tram lines, bridges and buildings largely determine where we can move in our landscape, and yet we still have choices. So why do we choose to go left here and not there, when objectively there's little to no difference in the outcome? In these circumstances, we are exercising agency. For some social theorists, this exercise of agency amounts to an act of resistance. We're sticking it to the man by whimsically zigging and zagging our way to our destination. Equally, however, we're writing ourselves into the world around us. We're inscribing meaning. By walking the same way to our destination every day, we elevate that walk to a ritual, and rituals have powerful implications for our sense of individual and collective identity. In short, we simultaneously use the landscape as a canvas upon which to perform ourselves and derive meaning and our sense of self from the everyday act of walking. Thank you.